Sunscreens promise protection, but is your Biotique sunscreen actually delivering? Let's dissect Biotique sunscreen. First, we are breaking down the ingredient list, looking for key UV filters like oxybenzone, avobenzone, zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which are crucial for protection, and we will cross-referencing them with concentrations. Next, SPF claims. Does SPF 30 really mean SPF 30? We examine independent lab tests and expert analysis of the effectiveness of Biotique's formulas compared to its claims. Now, the real talk. We're diving into customer reviews, separating hype from reality, and looking for common experiences, positive and negative, about sun protection, skin feel and potential side effects like breakouts or allergic reactions. And to get the final word, we consulted dermatologists. They evaluated the formulations of these sunscreens. Are they effective and does it provide broad-spectrum protection? We checked the ingredients, verified SPF claims, analyzed customer feedback, and even consulted experts. So, is Biotique sunscreen a scam or legit? The answer is. Slight pause for dramatic effect. Why show final verdict with check or X? Don't forget to check out our recommendations on better sunscreens by clicking here.